overall assessment of this Bosch GBH 18V34CF. Brilliant piece of kit, really powerful, most powerful SDS Plus drill I've ever used, really, compared to other brands. On this test model, the only thing that's let it down is the battery. 5.5 amp hour is definitely not enough juice for this size of drill. Definitely something like the 8.0 or the 12 would probably be absolutely perfect. But apart from that, brilliant piece of kit. Love all the features. The vibration is virtually nothing. It's a lot quieter than most SDS Plus drills I've ever used. Not bad weight for considering the size of it. It's good that it comes with an extra chuck for using wood bits, things like that. Yeah, so pretty impressed.